Come here. What's all that noise we got behind us? Come here, what's all that noise behind us? We have a trailer again. And on said trailer is a new used dishwasher, which is awesome. And it's a Samsung too, so it'll match the washer that we have. Now we just need to get a Samsung dryer, and we'll have a whole set. But the kindest, very kindest, sweetest people ever. Hi. They absolutely love Foxy Neva too. Got lots of loves. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're quite the celebrity. So pretty. Yeah, it's super, super nice. And I thought it was for sale for $100 because of how nice it is, and it was for free. And they loaded it and helped tie it down and everything, and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is the coolest ever. There needs to be more people like that in the world, because people like that give me some hope and faith in humanity. Because especially after all the craziness going on in the world, we need more people like that. So, thank you.